Hi, hi, Parvati. You're here in Hyderabad at High Life Jewels exhibition. We just
Yes.
want to know, like, what's jewelry for you? Like, what's the importance of the jewelry for women?
It's an add-on
Yeah.
in everybody's wardrobe, to be very honest. And jewelry is something that I cannot live without it. Say if you're wearing a traditional wear or if you're wearing anything, so that is an add-on that gives you a certain amount of confidence, and you look pretty with that, isn't it? So jewelry is something that is a must add-on.
So, what kind of jewelry you prefer?
Mostly, I like traditional ones, like the one I'm wearing, and this is the brand Opria today I'm wearing. And yeah, heavy jewelry, the bridal collection, and sometimes I go with the sleek one if I'm wearing, some sort of gown or something. So I like either way. Like I like all the jewelries, whatever is coming in on my way.
So, today you're here at High Life Jewels. It is started as one of the largest jewelry exhibition of its kind in
Really?
India. Yeah.
Okay.
So, what you're looking forward for?
I'm looking forward to explore more and more collection. See, each piece in jewelry, I would say they tell a different sort of story. It presents a different sort of history, and it's an amalgamation of beautiful culture and tradition. So I'm looking forward to explore more and more so that I can use that in my shoots or for my events. So yeah, that's my thing in my head.
So, diamonds are considered as women's best friend. So,
Ah, see,
so just let us know, like, are they your best friend? Like, you're wearing one of the diamond jewelry now.
I am wearing a diamond jewelry, but to be very honest, I'll tell you one thing that's very personal. That my astrologer always says one thing that you have to stay away from diamonds. But for my events, for my shoots, I generally wear diamonds, golds, or whatever come on my way. But otherwise, in my real life, I prefer not to wear diamonds. Kopam vastundi. A lot of I feel agitated once I wear diamonds. That's there in my head.
Talking about Tollywood, like any upcoming movies you want to.
As of now, I have signed recently. I have signed one female-led film that is Venkat Lakshmi, and we are going on floor. I think anytime soon, within 15-20 days, we'll be starting that. And other two movies, one in Tamil, one in Punjabi. It's on release.
Yeah. So Tollywood is now like one of the best industries to work in India.
Bestest.
So what do you like about it, please?
I like everything about it. I'll tell you, I have started my career back in 2018 with RX100 film, and afterwards there is no looking back. And now I am very much settled in Hyderabad only. I shifted my base from Delhi to Mumbai, Mumbai to Hyderabad now. So I think it's the best. It has given me everything, whatever I have dreamt for, whatever I wanted in my life. I have got everything, and I feel really grateful to all my audiences and all my fans. Like they're appreciating my work, they're supporting me because I'm an outsider completely. Nobody's backing me up, but my fans are there who are backing me up. So that way, I feel really blessed in a way. I'm kind of fortunate in that way.
So one best thing about Bollywood, you want to mention it out to the audience, to the people out there.
Just want to say, keep loving me because if you are loving me, I have that confidence in me. If you're not loving me, then I'm nobody. I am who I am because of my fans. So that's the only thing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Anything particularly about the Tollywood industry as an industry, like which you like?
They give you opportunities. Best part about Tollywood or the entire South Indian industry, I would say, they give you opportunities. I'm not comparing this industry with some other industry like Bollywood or something, but yeah, here the kind of work they offer you, the kind of opportunities they offer you, they are just amazing. And I was also an outsider back in 2018. Then Ajay Bhupati, he just called me randomly from nowhere, and I was like, okay, sir, I am willing to, work with you. So they welcome outsiders. They appreciate your talent, they recognize your talent, and they give you opportunities. That's the best part about Tollywood or South industry.
Any particular actor, director you're looking forward to work with?
Of course, Lord, my list is endless. बहुत लंबी list है मेरी. तो yeah, of course, Rajmouli sir. Then I want to work with Prabhas. Everybody knows that. Let's see, our fingers crossed. I'm just looking forward that opportunities will come on my way, and one day I'll be standing on the stage, sharing stage with those big directors and actors.
Any kind of advice you want to give out to the younger audience there or younger people who are trying to get into Tollywood or industry of movies?
Um, there is no substitute for hard work. And I'll tell you one reality of this industry, the entire industry I'm talking about. 98 or 99% is luck, sometimes, like most of the times, and 1% is hard work. Let me tell you this thing. And that's a reality. You cannot deny that.
Okay.
But अगर ये रियलिटी है तो आपको हार्ड वर्क करना छोड़ना नहीं है. कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, कीप मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. यू नेवर नो when opportunity is going to knock at your door, then you have to be ready, physically, mentally, in every way. So that's the thing I keep in my mind, and I just move forward.